Hey, this is Josh from the Bike Hub. We're here today taking a look at the 2019 Santa Cruz Bronson. Santa Cruz has kept the Bronson at 150 millimeters of travel, but completely updated the VPP suspension design on this bike. Additionally, it has a 15 millimeter longer top tube, a degree steeper seat tube angle, and a degree slacker head tube angle, making it 65.1 degrees in the bike's low setting. For 2019, every Bronson through Santa Cruz's range is a 1x11 or 1x12 model. They all have a dropper seat post, comes in 5 different build kits and aluminum or carbon frame options with a 27.5 or 27.5 plus option in each build. Having had the Bronson 1 and the Bronson 2, this is definitely my favorite version. If you always wanted the Nomad but thought it was too much bike for you, this is definitely Santa Cruz's solution to that. Overall, the bike stays super planted to the ground and through rough terrain feels very, very smooth. Santa Cruz developed a bike that when set up properly, climbs just as good, if not better than the previous version, but has way better descending and cornering ability. The more supple suspension design adopted from the V10 and the Nomad definitely brings the small bump compliance. This particular build was built with SRAM GX Eagle drivetrain, some Seek MTB carbon fiber Transcend 33i wheels, giving them a 33 millimeter internal measurement, and Maxxis 2.6 inch tires front and rear. This is the 2019 Santa Cruz Bronson. If you have any questions on this or any other Santa Cruz models, head over to thebikehub.com.